I know it's been a little while, guys, but this is it. The masons came in, they did all their hardscaping, all the bluestone coping, got it all nice and finished. There's a little bit of stuff that still has to happen. There's Mexican beach pebbles that are gonna be going in this pocket back here, but we've got this formal pond up and running. Water's crystal clear. The aquatic plants just went in yesterday. Got a beautiful specimen lotus right here, another one down that end. The Japanese koi are in here. My parents hand selected these fish from the mud ponds in Japan over the winter. We've got this beautiful cored out granite cube on this end that is just a wonderful water feature element. Pouring into the pond, crystal clear water. And if you make your way down here, we go to the Skim Cove intake bay. This is where our pumps are housed. This is where all the debris is collected. And this is how the water recirculates from this end of the pond back up to our cube. Everything about this feature is super unique. This is very custom, very formal, outside of the box of what we normally do. But the beauty of it, it's an ecosystem and it works just the same as all of our other ponds and waterfalls. I think it's cool that this homeowner wanted to do something formal and completely different. It's very contemporary and it's unique. We're in Newton, Massachusetts, so close to the heart of the city of Boston. We're surrounded by beautiful landscaping. It's this wonderful backyard. It's a mix of modern, contemporary with old world New England. And I just think this is a stunning setting. You get this bluestone patio and we have a water feature literally inside of a patio. So the homeowner, he was an engineer, an architect. He's done all sorts of stuff all over the world. And he's been dreaming about this water feature for a very long time. He had a very specific vision in mind. And together we were able to make something one of a kind. See, everybody, you don't need to feel like you're in the middle of the woods next to an ecosystem pond to be enjoying the water feature lifestyle. You can be in the middle of the city next to a formal feature like this and get all the benefits of the sights and sounds of water. Thanks for your patience, guys. I know you've been waiting for this series to be finished, but we've been waiting on the masons, and now that they're done, I'm glad we got to show this off to you. Hope you enjoy it. If you got any questions or comments, leave them down below. And until next time, guys, enjoy the water feature lifestyle.